Owning a home embodies the American dream, and your body is the only home you have to live in, so it's important not to sell you or your loved ones short. This all starts with being open to learning about natural solutions that are safe, effective, and less expensive than traditional options, so you and your family can live your best life. Correction, your best quality of life. My name is Lance McGowan, and I've made it my life's mission to help over 1 million people jump for joy again when it comes to having more energy, better digestive function, have clear and youthful skin, wake up feeling rested, and many other health priorities that affect countless individuals, families, and workplaces today. Jumping from where you are to where you want to be is a step-by-step process that has brought virtually all my clients closer than a neighbor in terms of accomplishing their goals. Make sure to check out the other videos on my YouTube channel so you can learn more about the products and services that I offer in more detail, or send me a message when you're ready to take your health or the health of your family, friends, customers, or coworkers to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.